Hi, I'm Shandra Spear with the Assistive Work Technology Department. Thanks for joining me for some tech tips. I'm going to show you how to have multiple Teams windows open. There's several ways you can do this, but the first question you'd ask is, why would I want to do that? Well, if you're a multitasker and you're working in multiple groups, you might want to have one meeting open that you're participating in and maybe another group that you're chatting in. You might want to show the participants so that you can invite others to the group and have that in a separate window so it can be bigger. Or you might want to pin a speaker or an interpreter and you want to spread those windows out so that you have a larger viewing size. So there's several reasons that you might want to do it, and I'm going to show you a few ways how. The easiest way that you could have two Teams meetings open at the same time is if you opened one Teams meeting on your app that's installed on your computer, and you opened another Teams meeting on the web through the Office 365 interface. So that is the easiest way to have Teams open in multiple windows, but not everybody has Teams installed on their computer. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to open Teams twice only using the internet. One way that you can have two instances of Teams open is if you have it installed on your computer. You could open it on the local app, and then you could also open it on the internet. So as you can see here, I have Teams installed on my computer. I have the icon on my desktop, and I also have it pinned down into my taskbar. So I'm going to double-click Teams to open it up, and I'm going to go to my calendar. And here's the meeting that I need to join. I'm going to click Join. I'm going to mute my microphone and turn off my camera and hit Join Now. So here I am in a Teams meeting that's already begun. You can see the PowerPoint presentation is being displayed, but you also can see that there's an interpreter down here in this window. So I can keep the interpreter up, but then it makes the PowerPoint small. Or I could keep the PowerPoint up and then it makes the interpreter small. So this is why you might want to open Teams in another window so that we could keep both of those at a larger size. So I'm going to go ahead and stay in this meeting, but I'm going to go ahead and open the internet and open Teams on the web version. So I was not prompted to log in because I've already logged in, but I'm going to click Teams. I'm going to go to my calendar again, and I'm going to locate the meeting that I need to join and join for a second time. Make sure my mic is muted and join. So here I am in the meeting again. I'm going to minimize this window a little bit so that you can see that I have the Teams app opened. And I also have the internet version of the Teams meeting open. And I can move these windows around however I would like. But what this allows me to do is I could leave the PowerPoint in one window, and I could show the interpreter or another speaker in another window. So this lets you move this around however you like and also make it bigger or smaller while maintaining the PowerPoint presentation or the speaker or whatever's going on in another window. I hope this helps. If you don't have Teams installed on your computer, you can still open two instances of Teams using the internet. This is also just another method if using Office 365 online is your preferred way of joining meetings. So to begin, we got to start by opening up the internet and joining our Teams meeting. So I'm going to double click on Google Chrome right here. And I'm going to go to office.com. I was not prompted to log in because I've already logged in today, but you might have been prompted to log in right here. But now that I'm in, I'm going to go ahead and click Teams. And now I'm going to click my calendar. And now I can see here in my calendar, this is the meeting I need to join. So I'm going to click Join. I'm going to turn off my microphone and join the meeting. So now you can see I've joined the Teams meeting that's already in progress. And I can either choose to look at the PowerPoint or I can choose to look at this speaker over here, but I can't really do both at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and open another instance of Teams. So I'm going to minimize this window or change its size so that I can see my desktop. I'm going to go ahead and minimize it. And now I need to open Google Chrome again. All right, so here's Google Chrome again, and I'm going to go back to Office. And just like before, it automatically logged me in. And I'm going to click my Teams meeting. I'm going to click my calendar. And now again, I can see the meeting I need to be in my calendar, and I'm going to click Join. Turn off my microphone and join the meeting. Now I have a second instance of Teams on my computer. I'm going to click the Restore Middle button to change the size of this window. And I'm going to open the other meeting and click the Restore Change the Size button to change the size of that window. And now you can see that I can have the PowerPoint on one screen, and I can pin a speaker and have a speaker open on the other screen. And this way I can see these windows as large as possible. You can move them around how you like. And if you have two monitors, you could drag this off onto another monitor and even make these larger. I hope this helps.